It is not simply about a woman and her clothes and what time she's out. It's also about the case of Badlapur, where two little children, girl children, 3 to 4 years of age, kindergarten-going girls, were sexually assaulted by a janitor who was recently hired. Now, in turn, a total of 300 people have been booked for violent protests that erupted in Maharashtra district on 20th August. 7 FIRs have been filed. It was the Rail Roko protest that had intensified. One prime accused has already been arrested for the sexual assault of these two minor children. The rest are for the riots, vandalism and the misinformation. Now, the victims' parents, meanwhile, decided to speak to the India Today group, and they have revealed their horrifying details and ordeals that they faced. They claim a cover-up. They claim that the school and the police alike tried to hush up the matter. The parents even told the victims that the injuries could be from a bike ride. There was also a lady police personnel, despite being shown the toddler's medical test, did not want to go ahead and try to intimidate them, is the claim of the parents. Remember, this is a parent who's approached the cops, believing and realizing that possibly their little girl child has been sexually assaulted. Something suspicious has happened in the school. Politics, meanwhile, has erupted over this horrific crime. There's a BJP link being claimed by the leaders of opposition. Two netas, Tushar Apte, a BJP public welfare head, Nandakishore Patkar, a BJP managing committee member in the state, are trustees of the school. So that has sparked fury from the opposition in the state, saying that there is a BJP link here. And also a big question to the man who was hired barely a month ago, who's now been arrested as the prime accused. Who did the background verification and why was he allowed to even be close to little children and especially girls?
अभी हम लोग नहीं सह सकते, क्योंकि कलकत्ता में भी एक हुआ, आज महाराष्ट्र में भी बहुत सारे ये अत्याचार की घटनाएं हो रही है। तो इसके बारे में जनता ने जागरूक होकर उत्स्फूर्त इससे ये आंदोलन किया था। लेकिन ऐसे 200 लोगों को पुलिस ने पकड़ा है, दोरखंड से बांध के उनको लिया है। तो हमको हमारा ये कहना है कि ये लोगों ने पथराव नहीं किया है। आप लोग अगर लाठीचार्ज नहीं करते तो पथराव नहीं होता। सब लोगों को तुरंत रिहा करना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये दोषी नहीं है। इन्होंने लोकशाही मार्ग से आंदोलन किया।
सरकार पूरे एक्शन मोड में है, पूरी संवेदनशीलता के साथ। लेकिन जिस प्रकार से बदलापुर में एक इसके विरोध के नाम पर एक उग्र आंदोलन तैयार किया गया और उस उग्र आंदोलन के नाम पर बदलापुर की शांति भंग की गई, वो निश्चित तौर पर मानसिक रूप से विकृत लोगों का काम है। अब 24 अगस्त को विरोधी पक्ष की तरफ से उद्धव ठाकरे जी के आह्वान पे महाराष्ट्र बंद करने की घोषणा, यह मानसिक विकृति का एक नया रूप है।